You already know the song is fire. Okay, and I like how they shifting back in their own transition.
Maybe I'm a lunatic. 내 그냥 잡아둬. 그냥 잡아둬. 가파른 언덕 사이로 말보다는 행동으로.
I like the setting too. Kind of look like aquarium style, zoo style. I don't know.
I'm not 꼬리를 치거든. I'm
looking. The way he hit that on the floor. Let's go. Real quick, let's go. That was crazy right there. He was like, let's go back. Okay, they with that beatbox and stuff again. Boom, let's go.
So we cry for the moon. We cry for the moon. So we cry for the moon.
I like that. They're in a press conference type of thing. You know, that's fire. Let's go.
So we cry for the moon. Going crazy. Beat on a wig 속에.
See, I knew Lunatic was gonna be like this. I knew it was gonna go to the beat because I react to the full album. You check that out after this video. But yeah, I knew they was gonna be on beat with it. The MV. It's kind of what I pictured it to be like. I knew it was gonna be fire. Let's go. Okay.
Big start, but I still don't back. Beat를 따라 feel my flow. Big dreams they will all go. Think about it.
Hey, that's a nice heavy bag, you know. Well, yeah, they everywhere. It look like they in the setting of everywhere. They're a lunatic for real. Lunatics be everywhere. Real talk.
Beat를 따라 feel my flow. Big dreams they will all go. Think about it. What you doing? Think about it. What you moving?
Think about it. They got their belly all out for the legs and everything. It's crazy.
어디서나 빛나는 fire. 사이로까지 we go back. Hey baby.
Hey baby. I ain't never seen no dancers in the ring like we at a basketball game. You know how they dance in halftime and everything. They dance. Just imagine them and team dancing. Oh, this is bro. They in the ring again. You remember they were in the ring in Beatboxer? That was fire. You know, iconic MV and song. With this right here too. Let's get it. Caught me off guard with them slashes right there, bro. Bro, did they hit the Harlem Shake? Hold on. Oh my God, bro, this right here is so fire. This gotta be the thumbnail, bro. It has to be the thumbnail, man.
So we cry. Yeah. So we cry.
Dang, bro, they punched somebody so hard. The stuff flew up. What?
We cry.